Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make fish stock. To begin, gather your ingredients, focusing on non-oily white fish bones and heads. You'll also need aromatic vegetables like onions, celery, and leeks. Ensure you have enough cold water to completely cover all the ingredients in your pot. This foundational step is crucial for a flavorful base. Once your ingredients are ready, rinse the fish bones and heads under cold water to remove any impurities. Place them into a large pot with your prepared vegetables. Add enough cold water to cover everything, then bring it to a gentle simmer. Cook for about 20 to 30 minutes, carefully skimming off any foam that rises to the surface. After simmering, it's time to strain your stock. Carefully pour the entire contents of the pot through a fine mesh sieve into another clean container. Make sure to discard all the solids, as their flavor has been extracted. For an even clearer stock, you can strain it a second time through a sieve lined with cheesecloth. Once strained, cool your fish stock quickly to ensure food safety. You can store it in airtight containers in the refrigerator for up to 3 days. For longer storage, freeze the stock in freezer-safe containers for up to 3 months. This versatile stock is perfect for seafood risottos, soups, and delicious sauces.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.